We are looking at Lotus Lillies by American Impressionist Courtney Curran, and they seem more like an imagined fantasy due to the size and profusion of the flowers which surround the boat, which is painted in the center of the composition. Blooms of American lotus encircle the artist's new bride and her cousin in their boat. Curran's bride, haloed by her leaf green parasol, becomes the finest of Lake Erie's blossoms and the object of the painter's love and affection. By the 1890s, Impressionism was firmly established as a valid style of painting for American artists, and Lotus Lillies provides a good example for the bright colors used by Curran, typical for Impressionist canvases, which were shocking to eyes accustomed to the more sober colors of academic painting. Many of the Impressionist artists chose not to apply the thick golden varnish that painters customarily used to tone down their works. The paints used by Curran and his contemporaries were more vivid and usually unmixed. Applied side by side with as little mixing as possible, they created a vibrant surface. The optical mixing of colors was meant to occur in the eye of the viewer.
So I'll hold your umbrella.
That would be great. Thank you very much. I find this painting entrancing and would very much like to visit a similar lake in the USA to be able to see firsthand these superb yellow lotus flowers. These look like water lilies raised on long stems above the water, catching the light and making reflections. The big leaves give shade underwater for fish and other creatures. With all that nectar and pollen, there must be lots of pollinators about. As in the painting, the large Botanic's pond has a surrounding of trees, shrubs, flowers and reeds. We have willows, conifers, roses, and amongst them some American species. The parasol is repeated here in two kinds of large, roundish leaves. Those are the giant Gunnera manicata and also a European butterbur petastites. The former is dark green and the latter paler. When the sun is out, you get the light showing on and through those leaves, and also the somewhat upstanding leaves of the unusual yellow water lily here.
Here it is. I just caught a fish.
Oh, you just got a fish?
Yep.
Just this
Full
minute.
of sticklebacks
Is it?
and frogs.